What if you could keep your hard-earned retirement savings safe no matter what happens to the economy? With inflation soaring and market instability hitting record highs, retirees across the country are finding themselves asking a tough question. How do I protect my nest egg? In today's video, we're diving into an urgent topic for American retirees: protecting your retirement from economic uncertainty. With financial markets showing wild swings and rising inflation rates, it's more important than ever to make sure your money stays secure. We'll break down the strategies you can use to protect your retirement savings and how you can do this easily with a Gold IRA. But first, let me tell you about something you might not have considered: a growing trend among retirees who are choosing to protect their nest eggs. Take Jim and Nancy, retirees from Scottsdale, Arizona. Jim spent over 40 years in the tech industry and saved diligently for retirement. But as they watched their savings lose value, they were shaken. In 2024, Jim's 401k had dipped below $500,000 due to volatile market conditions. You might be in a similar situation, or worse. The good news? Jim and Nancy found a way to preserve their retirement by rolling part of their savings into a Gold IRA, a move that has not only kept their savings intact, but also allowed them to build a legacy for their children. Does this sound familiar? If you've been concerned about the unpredictable economy or rising inflation, you're not alone. Every day, more and more retirees like Jim and Nancy are facing the same struggles. Traditional stocks and bonds can't keep up with inflation, and the financial markets are too volatile. So, what's the solution? A Gold IRA. Gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years, and it's the one asset that tends to thrive when other investments falter. It's a way to hedge against economic instability, market crashes, and inflation, all of which can severely impact your retirement savings. Now, you might be thinking, but how does it work? Well, you don't need to be an expert in precious metals. You can easily roll over part of your existing IRA or 401k into a Gold IRA with no penalties or taxes if you do it the right way. This is exactly what Jim and Nancy did, and it saved their retirement. Here's why. While the stock market took a downturn, the price of gold surged. They didn't have to worry about market volatility anymore. Their Gold IRA not only preserved their wealth, but even increased over time. If you've worked hard all your life to build your retirement, why let it slip away? Jim and Nancy took control, and you can too. You owe it to yourself and your family to protect what you've spent decades building. It's time to take action. I've got a free Gold IRA guide just for you. No pressure, no gimmicks. You'll also get a quick, no-obligation educational call where you'll get all your questions answered about the process, so you can make an informed decision with no high-pressure sales tactics. Just like Jim and Nancy, you can safeguard your future, your savings, and even leave a legacy. Don't let your retirement funds be at the mercy of an unstable economy. Click the link below to grab your free guide and schedule your one-on-one educational call. Protect your nest egg today. Remember, you've worked hard for your future. It's time to make sure it stays secure for generations to come.